You should learn about what's happening in the world. I am always startled at how few people are aware of what's happening.
Most of us freeze. We don't know what's going to happen. We wait for the government to tell us. We wait for our boss to tell us. We wait for everyone around us to tell us what's going to happen, and we delegate our own authority. Now, hopefully they know, but I think reality has shown that they don't.
How can you struggle financially? They're printing trillions. And the reason is you went to school and you're taught fear and you're taught scarcity. You're taught the fear of failing. Or like I said, where's my paycheck? Where's my paycheck? People cannot go a week without their effing paycheck. That's why the $600 is for. And that's the problem.
There are some different ways of thinking about money, business, and careers than you have been taught from the general mass media. And if they're listening and watching right here, they know they're getting a different perspective. So I want people to know you don't have to only cut back, you can earn more, that even in times like this of crisis, you don't have to play defense, you can actually go on offense, and that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Whether you are a beginning entrepreneur or you work a 9-to-5, there is an approach you can take that's going to set you up for success.
All these people out there are just bitching and moaning. They haven't got the check. They're waiting for the check. And they go, well, there's no opportunities, no jobs. I feel for them. I feel for them. But the reason they struggle is because they've been trained to be employees. And an employee mindset is very, very different than an entrepreneur's mindset.
Some people will watch a TV show and think they know something, think they have learned and understand, or they will read a book and think they understand what's going on. No, I hate to say it, I've been investing a long time, and I'm still, to this day, shocked at how little people know, much less how little they understand about the world, about money, and about investing.
I think the mistake that people make is they go back to school and they find people who are not successful. They're called college professors. Talk about losers. Because my whole family, poor dad's side, they're all college professors, and they're so afraid of their own shadow.
Most often, like 99% of the time, people are playing life on defense, especially with their money. I guess I spent that much. Nobody taught me about money. Oh, there's no way to make money, on and on and on. And even in the relatively simple area of cost cutting, you were like, no, fuck that. I'm going after it. I'm going to become an animal, as you put it. And so you don't have to have that aggression in every part of your life, but just to pick that one zone and say, I'm going to dominate this.
This COVID thing is on. It's going to be with us for a while. There's 30 million Americans are unemployed. They're waiting for their $600 check, and there's millions out there. The Fed is printing trillions, and you don't have any of it? I think you're the problem. As an entrepreneur, there is so much more opportunity today simply because the Federal Reserve Bank is printing trillions. And if you can't get your hands on a couple of trillion or 100 million or whatever it is, the problem is you.
Even when the economy has crashed, people are still willing to pay for the things that they want and the things that they need. And this has been true for thousands of years. People have paid to adorn themselves with clothes. They've paid for food. They've paid for entertainment. So right now, what you see is really two different groups of people. You see the people whose first reaction is to say why everything won't work. Oh, nobody will pay for anything. There's no money around. And then you see the entrepreneurs who say, wait a minute, it's going to be harder. Certain industries are not going to make any money right now. Fine, let me accept reality. But, wow, there's a lot of kids around sitting at home and their parents will pay anything so that they are learning something and leaving them alone so they can work.
The problem's inside your head. There's so much money out there. They're going to print, they estimate another $3 trillion in the next few months. And you're waiting for 600 of it? There's something wrong inside that brain of yours.
Go find something that you can sell. Again, don't wait for the $600 check. Get off your ass and go do something. Go make some money. Go find a product or a service that you can put out there and build into some kind of a nice business and make some profits.
If you liked the video, a sub to the channel would be incredible, and also share the video to spread the word. You can watch another video, just click left or right. Keep inspiring.